She has a little baby head. See?
I know.
Little
Isn't she
baby
cute?
head.
She's a cutie, huh?
Goes around, around, around the hair. Round, around.
Does she give you kisses? No, no kisses. I think she misses her mommy. She's like, where is my mommy?
Or she probably just wants her brother.
Think so?
Yeah. Does she have one brother?
Yeah, one brother and one sister.
And she probably missed her mommy and her daddy. Does she only have a mommy?